I paid $80 for this monitor stand to hold my $2,000 monitor. So let me talk about the monitor stand that I have here. This is a monTEK monitor arm for 57-inch monitors, and it can hold up to 59 pounds. This monitor, the 57-inch Samsung Odyssey G9, weighs about 34 pounds without the stand or the legs, and this supports up to 59 pounds, so it's perfect. It's way below that, and it supports up to 57-inch monitors, which this is a 57-inch monitor. It's a really nice stand. It looks really clean, sleek, and you know, nothing too crazy. It looks professional. It's working out well for this monitor so far. I've had it for a month now, and it's been perfect. No issues. You can adjust your tension here for the arm here. You can also adjust the tension for the tilt for the monitor. So if you want to tilt it, I have it pretty much almost to the max, because it does come pretty loose. You have to adjust it when your monitor is installed, so you know, so it won't tilt down and you know, scratch your screen. Wonder if you have something in the front, but yeah, you have that adjustment here. You also have an adjustment in the back, so if you loosen this up, you're able to twist the monitor to the side, and yeah, you got that. And you also got this little stand here. So it comes with a stand. You can actually lift this all the way up, and you get more height if you have like a standing desk. I'm sitting down, so I have it to around here. It's perfect for me. It also comes with a little stopper here. So if you get this monitor stand, you must install the stopper before you install the arm, because you can just slide it in. So this helps you know, this arm from falling down or getting even lower. So it's very important to do that, because I actually installed this without this, and it was coming down a little bit slowly, because you know, we got the weight of the monitor on this arm, so it will go down a bit. So this will help it from, you know, going even lower. So you must do that. And it comes with a little clip here for your tools. So these are the tools that are included, that you can adjust pretty much all of these things here. So you got your adjustment here. So this big one right there, you can adjust that. Also for this one, you can adjust that. And then this little one, you got the little flat head right there. That's for these little tiny screws here. We're gonna, you know, keep these tight there. And then this one right here for this little one, for this stopper here, for that's for that. So you want you know, I always keep this here. Before, my old monitor stand, I didn't know what these were for, but now I do. They're for for your tools whenever you need them. So before I had a 49-inch Odyssey G9 monitor with a different monitor arm. I was gonna use the old monitor arm, but it was rated for 34 pounds. So my old monitor arm that I was planning on using with my 57-inch monitor was not rated for 57-inch monitors, and it was not rated for, well, it was actually in between the weight for this monitor. So my old monitor arm, let me go ahead and show you. So this is my old monitor arm here. This is the arm that I had with my old G9, the 49-inch. This is actually, well, it's a little thicker, but same size. This is actually only rated for 34 pounds, 35 pounds. My old G9 was rated, was 31 pounds, so it was perfect for that. But this monitor arm, so this monitor arm was barely able to hold this monitor, which is 34 pounds, and this is 35 pounds max. So I didn't want to risk that. You can see here, you can see how thick that tilt for this monitor arm is. See how thick that is? And then look at the old monitor arm here. Right there, smaller. So, you know, definitely had to upgrade that. Alright, so let me show you how I mounted this to my table here, to my desk. Now, I do have an IKEA desk. This is the second one I've bought here. The first one actually got, so you know how when you lean on your desk starts turning to U-shape, something like this. Well, this happened to me with the old tabletop. This is the exact same one as the other one. It's just a newer one. And I also damaged it because my old monitor stand, you had to clamp it down. And when I did that and I tightened it, it actually cracked the tabletop, because this is cheap material. You know, it's just honeycomb inside, and it cracked it. So I had to put a piece of wood. So when I bought the new tabletop, I put the piece of wood before I put this, and this just helps with weight distribution. You know, solid piece of wood here, and so far it's working fine, no issues. So if you have a monitor like this and you're planning on mounting it on an IKEA desk with the monitor arm, definitely recommend putting some wood to distribute the weight. If not, get a solid tabletop where you don't have to worry about that. This actually also came with a different mounting. It came with two. So it came with this one where it latches to the table, or there's one where you have to drill a hole, and then it just clamps at the bottom through the hole, and you tighten that. That's also that way. I did it this way because I didn't want to drill any holes, and this is, like I said, this hollow in there. It's like honeycomb. So there's not a lot of stuff for this to hold this. So I use this method, a piece of wood at the top. I did want to put a piece of wood at the bottom too, but this clamp here is not wide enough to accept that. So I had to just deal with this. So far, it's been good for about a month. Been running it like this, perfectly fine. The monitor arm is actually performing pretty well. Very happy with the purchase. 80 bucks, around $90, which with taxes and stuff, but overall pretty good monitor arm for the 57-inch Samsung Odyssey G9. Why I'm putting too much weight on an $80 monitor arm? It got good reviews. The specifications are there. 59 pounds. Even if it was a little off, the monitor only weighs 34 pounds. This is 59 pounds. So even if it wasn't accurate and maybe hold like 39 pounds or 40 pounds, it's still pretty good for this monitor. And they have a good reputation so far, the monTEK company that makes these arms. So, and it does look pretty good, quality build overall. Yeah, that's pretty much my little review here, quick review for a monitor arm. And it's so far really good. I'm enjoying it. I've had it for a month now with no issues. So yeah, but yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you guys in the next one.